How to uninstall Microsoft Edge. In today's video, I will show you how to fully uninstall Microsoft Edge from your computer in 2024. If you are in the EU, you can uninstall Edge directly through the Add or Remove Programs feature. Outside of the EU, such as the US or UK, this option isn't available by default. Note that some Windows components like Microsoft Store may need Edge to function. Also, make sure to have another browser like Chrome or Brave installed before proceeding. So start by opening any internet browser and go to google.com. Search for Wise Uninstaller and click on the official download link. Download and install the tool to remove Microsoft Edge completely. Open Wise Uninstaller and find Microsoft Edge in the app list, and click on Force Uninstall. Confirm and remove any residual files. And that's it. You have successfully removed Microsoft Edge. Just remember that Windows updates may reinstall Edge, so you might need to repeat the steps in the future. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.